Well, after having a great success on my previous video, here I am back with another video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel called Electrocode, and today we are diving into a cool project that combines an ultrasonic sensor, Arduino and a 8-bit RGB LED to detect distances. The LED will change colors based on how close an object is. If it is close, it will glow red. At a mid-range distance, it will turn blue, and it's far, you will see green. So let's get started. First, here's what we will need for this build: an Arduino board, an ultrasonic sensor, an 8-bit RGB addressable LED, some jumper wires, and of course a breadboard. So let me explain the logic behind this. The ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance of an object in front of it. Based on that distance, we will control the LED to show different colors: red if the object is close, blue at a mid-range distance, and green when it's far. Now let's wire it up. Connect the ultrasonic sensors VCC and ground to the Arduino's 5V and ground. Then connect the trigger and echo pins to the digital pin number 9 and 10 on the Arduino. Then connect the data pin of the RGB LED to the digital pin number 6 of the Arduino. Make sure to connect the power and ground of the LED as well. And with that, our circuit connection is done. In our code, we will use the ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance by calculating the time it takes for sound waves to bounce back. Based on that distance, it is below a certain threshold, we will set the LED color to red. For a mid-range distance, it will turn blue, and for far distance, we will set it to green. This is the code that we will upload to the Arduino. This code will adjust the LED color based on the object's distance, making it dynamic and interactive. Now let's upload this code and run our project. That's it for today's project. I hope you enjoyed this guide on building a distance detector with Arduino ultrasonic sensor and RGB LEDs. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome projects. Until then, see you in the next one.